If your life is a mess and you feel stuck, you're 21 days away from a complete reset. No fluff, no vague advice, just a straight-up game plan to get your shit together. I've been there, broke, unmotivated, feeling like I was watching my own life go to waste. You wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep. You have big dreams, but you never take action. You feel ambitious, but lazy at the same time. You procrastinate on everything that matters, then beat yourself up for it. But here's the truth. No one is coming to save you. You have to save yourself, and it starts today. Step 1. Remove the garbage. And I don't just mean your room. I mean your mind, your habits, and the people around you. For the next 7 days, you're going on a detox. No doom scrolling, no toxic people, no excuses. Declutter your space. Clean your room, your car, your workspace. A messy space equals a messy mind. If you want to think clearly and be productive, you need an environment that supports your growth. Audit your circle. Who's bringing you down? Who's feeding your bad habits? Distance yourself. If the people around you aren't pushing you forward, they're holding you back. It's time to cut the dead weight. Brain dump your problems. Grab a notebook and list out everything in your life that's messed up. Money, health, relationships. You can't fix what you don't face. Break a bad habit. Pick one self-destructive habit and cut it cold turkey. Smoking, late-night junk food, wasting hours on social media. This is your first test of discipline. The key is to replace it with something better. Swap Netflix for reading or junk food for a healthier alternative. Now that you've made space, it's time to rebuild. The next 7 days are all about setting up non-negotiable habits that make success inevitable. Wake up and sleep at the same time. Your body and mind thrive on structure. Sleep is the foundation of everything. Better focus, better health, better decisions. Fix your sleep and you fix half your problems. Move every day. Doesn't have to be hardcore, just sweat. Walk, gym, yoga, whatever. The goal isn't just fitness. It's about proving to yourself that you can show up and commit to something daily. Eat like you respect yourself. Cut the processed junk and fuel your body like you actually care about your future. The way you eat affects your energy, mood, and focus. Start treating food like fuel, not just comfort. Track your money. If you don't know where your cash is going, you're already losing. Start budgeting today. Every dollar you waste is a dollar you could have used to build your future. Be intentional with your finances. One daily growth habit. Read 10 pages, learn a skill, listen to an educational podcast. Small inputs create massive results over time. The key is consistency. Small, daily wins build unstoppable momentum. By now, you're feeling clearer, stronger, and more in control. The final 7 days, it's time to push yourself harder and set a foundation for long-term success. Eliminate distractions. Set app limits, block time-wasting sites, and stop saying yes to things that don't serve you. Time is your most valuable asset. Start treating it like gold. Focus on income. If you're broke, your first job is making more money. Pick up a side hustle, apply for better jobs, start learning a high-value skill. Money won't solve all your problems, but it will give you options. Options that can change your life. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Cold showers, public speaking, waking up early, whatever pushes you out of your comfort zone, do more of it. Growth lives in discomfort. If it scares you, it's probably the thing you need to do most. This is your wake-up call. You don't need a miracle, you need 21 days of relentless action. No waiting, no starting Monday. Your future self is practically screaming at you to take charge now. And if this helped, subscribe for more because we're all trying to level up.